Rolling with your Jeep TJ doors off feels awesome. But let's be real, it's not always safe or practical. That's where tube doors step in. They keep the ride open air while giving you some structure, protection, and a cool off-road look. Today, I'm breaking down the best tube doors for the Jeep Wrangler TJ. And remember, all the links to these doors are down in the description. Go check them out if something catches your eye. Starting off with the ARIES tube doors. These babies are made from heavy-duty 14-gauge steel plate and a thick steel tube frame, so durability is not an issue. The textured black powder coat plus premium e-coating means they can take a beating from mud, rocks, or even salty roads. The OE-style latches give you a solid lock, and nylon limiting straps keep them from flying wide open. Super easy bolt-on install, but heads up, you'll need brackets if you want to reuse your factory mirrors. Next up, the body armor trail doors. Proudly made in the USA, these are designed with precision fit in mind. The tubular steel construction paired with a dual-process powder coat makes them tough and long-lasting. They've got an internal latch mechanism that keeps things secure and hidden, while the heavy-duty woven nylon webbing gives both protection and style. Installation is a breeze. Just drop them onto your factory hinges. They don't accept OE mirrors, but they're pre-drilled for body armor's mirror setup. The TROPOW tube doors built from 1/8-inch steel sheet and thick tubular framing, these doors are tough while still keeping that open-air vibe. What makes them stand out is that they actually come with mirrors, which is a big plus since a lot of tube doors don't. Installation is super simple. Just drop them into your factory hinges and you're set. They give great visibility for trail runs, though keep in mind they're meant for off-road use only, not as a safety restraint. Now let's check out rugged ridge tube doors. If you want rattle-free performance, these are fully welded and solid as heck. Built from 1.5-inch mandrel bent steel tube, then e-coated and powder-coated, they're made to survive trail abuse. They're super practical too. You can reuse your factory mirrors, and the paddle latches feel strong and secure. They're lightweight, easy to swap on and off, and can even be stashed in the back of your Jeep. Rugged Ridge also backs them with a solid 5-year warranty, which is pretty reassuring. Finally, the Hooke Road tube doors. These are very similar in construction to the ARIES, made with 14-gauge steel plate and a thick tubular frame, then powder-coated for durability. They've got limiting straps, OE-like latches, and an easy bolt-on setup with no drilling. Again, factory mirrors won't bolt right up unless you grab the extra bracket kit. But once mounted, these doors look sharp and give your TJ that open-air freedom. Plus, Hooke Road throws in a 2-year warranty and lifetime customer support. So, bottom line, tube doors are all about striking that balance between freedom and safety. If you want heavy-duty steel and clean design, ARIES and Hooke Road are solid picks. Rugged Ridge offers the most practical option with mirror compatibility and long warranty. And if you're into made in the USA gear with stylish webbing, Body Armor delivers. Don't forget, the links to all these doors are in the description, so check them out for more details. And hey, if you dig Jeep mods and off-road gear, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss the next review.